Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep you homes in and today may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet baby frocks designs ideas collection. Beautiful flowers, beautiful patterns without sleeves. Very amazing colorful crochet net frocks designs ideas collection. Beautiful fabric, beautiful suitable and beautiful baby girls, kids, children dresses designs ideas collection. Round neck designs ideas, full sleeves, half sleeves, everywhere collection designs ideas. Starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs. Brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many others from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you.